Hello, my name is Ryan Whittington. This is my intro video for EDL 851, Supervision and Evaluation of School Personnel. First question, why do I want to become a principal? Pretty simple. I think I'm a natural born leader, so that I think just comes natural for me. And as a teacher for the last 10 years, I think this next step is getting into administration and taking my leadership skills. So I would sort of say to the next level. It's the next step in my career. I also want to become a principal because I've seen a lot of bad teachers in my 10 years of education, and I want to try to make a difference and either help those teachers become better or get those teachers out of education, because there's too many students at risk in education today that need that teacher to be spot on and dialed in so that they're getting the best education that's possible. As far as experience in supervisor responsibilities, I'm a head track coach. When I have 5 coaches underneath me, so I've had to plan their practices and evaluate their practices and evaluate how they're evaluating talent. So that's about the biggest experience I've had in a supervisor role. I've also been an offensive coordinator for the football team, and I've had 2 coaches under me that way. So I've had to also game plan for them and get them all dialed in. So that's probably my biggest supervisor role that I've had so far. In the past, my evaluations, have been very fair, very constructive. Fortunately for me, I've had a former PE teacher evaluate me, so we've had some very good conversations on what's good that I've been doing and what I could improve on. But each one of my evaluations I thought have been very fair. So it's been very constructive for me in growing as a teacher and as an educator. So this concludes my intro video for EDL 851. I look forward to working with all you this semester.